What are they? Ping vendor. Okay. And another one is ForgeRock, SailPoint, CA SiteMinder, and even you can take Microsoft Azure. So there are multiple vendors available. I'm just saying only These applications are also the same kind of the same, like identity for management and access management, will work with other applications with similar functionalities. No. Let's take an example. I will tell you the comparison. So, Okta, you can manage identity, you can manage access. Okay. Pinging. You can manage only access. You cannot manage identity. If you want to manage identity, there is another tool called Ping Identity. You have to get that tool specifically. And if you take ForgeRock, right? So, ForgeRock, it is specific to only access management. Under access management, it is SSO only. ForgeRock. Same thing for CA SiteMinder. CA SiteMinder. You can only manage single sign-on. So likewise different applications are there, different application support, different kinds of that pillar access management and identity management pillar. So, but Okta will support everything other than privileged access management. Okta support both identity management and access management. Is it clear? Is that right? Yes. Okay, fine. So okay. So that is about identity management and access management and where this Okta comes into the picture. Okay, and I will also show you a report, or what to say the latest available. Market report. Okay. Okay. So here, okay, let me show you in a different way. Okay, so here you can see right. Yeah. They have categorized. I mean this. I will tell you what is this, Gartner report. So Gartner report is nothing but like they are the statistics organization. What they will do is they will take statistics from the organizations, employees, contractors, marketplace, available persons. They will take statistics from all those people and they will publish a report. Okay. That report will say what tool or what vendor is leading in market and who will be, challenging the market and who will be. They will be having a visionary in future, but right now they are in the lower level. So likewise, they have categories. They will categorize in the way that it will be useful for the access management people. So all these things will be. Statistics will be taken from the persons who is working on access management. So I have been working with access management for more than 6 years. So I have given this. This what to say. I have done this report. I have, contributed myself in this report. I said, which is a better tool? The tool that I have worked at which is a better one? Likewise, I have contributed myself also in this report, statistics. Okay. So here you can see, Okta is leading here. Okay, in the leaderboard, Okta is in the top and other vendors like Microsoft, I said right, Microsoft Azure. So they are also in the leaders board and Ping Identity. I said right, Ping tool. There is another tool available, so which is a Ping tool that is also in the leader. So all these 5 products are in the leaderboard. Okay, as per the status from. As per the statistics from the Gartner report, okay. So likewise, Okta is right now. Okta is in the leaderboard in terms of access management tool. Okay. In terms of access management tools. Supplying vendors. I'm saying okay. If you take Auto right, so Auto, they are in visionaries, which means they have a better future. But right now they are in the lower. You know, like their names are not that much published. We can say, and I said C2A, SiteMinder, right. So which is managed by C2A Technologies, which is maintained by C2A Technologies. So that is also in the visionaries. So, likewise, they have categorized in a way and they have given this report for each and every year. They will run this report and they will share it publicly. And even 2020, 2021. Okta is in the leaderboard. So you can maybe search it in Gartner report for access management. You will get it for 2021. Okay, so this is what it says for 2020, 2021. So this is the access management reviews for 2022. So you can see, Okta is in the leaderboard and next is Microsoft Azure Active Directory. And the third one is Ping. So, likewise, like they will categorize in a way like, which will be in the top, which will be in the next level. So I can say Okta is really performing well and they are, really doing a great job in terms of the company. So if you are also learning Okta and you are also in the limelight, you will get many opportunities. You will, you will be getting more in terms of job, I'm saying, and also maybe in promotions, those kind of things that you can make use of it. Okay. Any questions on this as of now? Yeah, it's clear. And okay, let's start about. Let's. I will just guide you with the contents that we are going to cover in this training session. And it is not only just a few contents like, if you take example, right, Universal Directory. Under Universal Directory there will be multiple things like how we under Universal Directory. There are 3 topics like how you can manage the user accounts, how you can manage the group informations, how you can manage a profile attribute schema. So those things like there will be multiple, subtopics inside that main topics. So these are the main content that we are going to see. Inside that there will be subtopics. First thing is developer instance. So I will guide you. I will tell you, like how we can create developer instance and what are all the what are all the features that is available in developer instance and what are all the things that you can able to achieve with the help of developer instance. I will tell you, this developer instance is a 30 days trial, free, open source instance where you can register it and you can get it. Okay. After 30 days, you can use it, of course, but the thing is there will be few restrictions, Like you cannot manage more than 100 users or you cannot manage more than 5 applications. So likewise there will be some limitations towards it. Okay. But for the 30-day period first, 30 days of period you can use most of the features available that will be granted to the enterprise solutions.